Are your neck and shoulders tight and painful today? Let's fix both of those. They're all connected. Now, you might want to grab 2 blocks. If you don't have any, that's fine. If you have something similar like blankets, that would work. Let's begin like we usually do, sitting in a comfortable cross-legged position and gently allowing your eyes to close. We're just going to see what's going on with our neck today. So exhale, just gently turn your head to the right. And then inhale, center. You're going slowly. You don't want to give yourself more pain. Slowly turn to the left. And then center. And then tilt the head right. Look down as you're tilting your head right. Look up as you're tilting the head right. And come back to center. Inhale, center. Now notice you're not clenching your jaw here, so make sure your teeth are parted even though your lips are closed. Inhale, exhale, lean over your head to the left. And then look down slowly. Slowly look up. Straight ahead and take the head back to center. See, does it feel like it's on a little straighter? If you have blocks, get them out of the way. You don't need them yet. Take your right hand to the floor, to your right. Inhale, left arm up and over. Your left ear, stretch. And then again, look down at your mat on the right side. Never noticed that pattern before. How interesting. And then inhale, look up. And you're just going to your edge, not forcing anything. Back to center and then inhale up. Other side. Left hand down, right arm up and over. Getting curious about what you're looking at. Turn your head down and turn your head up. Notice textures, colors, emotion that evokes in you. Inhale, come up and lower the arm down. Take hands to your thighs. Take a breath here. Let's move with the breath. So simple shoulder shrugs. Inhale, draw the shoulders up into the air. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Slowly lower down. Remember, you're taking the whole breath. So exhale completely and use the entire exhale to lower the shoulders back to neutral. And then again, and lower. And one more. This is something you can do throughout the day. Anytime you start to feel them getting tense, just do a few of those real slow. This is the first time you might need a block. I mean, you don't need one. If you have one, put it between your hands behind you. So everyone's going to take their arms behind you, palms face each other, just like this. If you have a block, you're going to put it between your palms, like so. The trick is, see how easy it is to bend the arms. Straighten the arms and squeeze the block. If you don't have a block, you're squeezing like you have something in between your armpits. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Now keep squeezing and lift the arms just an inch and lower. And notice it's really easy to jet the head forward. We don't want to do this. We want to heal the neck, not create more problems. So take the head back. You can even lower the block to the floor while you get your neck situated again. Squeeze, and then maybe you need to keep the block down or keep your hands down to the floor and just lift an inch from here. Maybe you're higher, doesn't matter, but you don't want to start to jut the head. That's the most important thing. Keep the neck strong and neutral. And again, lift, and you got one more, and lift and release. Wasn't that just the best? No, honestly, was it the best? Let me know in the comments. And now just take your hands to behind you, fingers face forward, press down, lift the chest, release, and remember to click the like button if you like this video. That way I'll make more like this. And then just take a moment to join your hands together in front of your heart, closing your eyes, and feel the gratitude for yourself for taking the time out of your busy day for this short little practice. Thanks for joining me. I look forward to seeing you again next time. Namaste.